Tell me what's going on, my friend. Let me start by getting the engine size, please.
5.3 liter.
What's going on with it?
It's blowing hot on the driver's side and not on the passenger side. It should be running cold on both because I don't know why it's not opening or whatever, but it's an automatic system, right? It cuts in and out as need be for temperature control, and it just ain't doing what it's supposed to be doing because I'm getting heat on my side, driver's side, and the passenger side's nice and cool.
So it looks like the air temperature door actuator on the left side is very common to go bad, causing this problem.
Is it difficult to get to?
Showing it's on top of the HVAC housing assembly. So instrument panel assembly removal. So it looks like you're going to have to pull the whole dash apart. I hope not. Let me just take a look real fast for you. Let me check a couple other things here real fast. I don't know if this is going to be the case.
I don't want to have to pull the whole dash out.
5 hours labor. So that's a lot. So it's going to be a lot, my friend.
All right. I guess I'm going to have to pay somebody because I'm not getting all that into it. So that's too much for me to handle on my own. So
remove the instrument panel assembly. That is correct. So you got to remove it and then replace it, and then there's an actuator recalibration you're going to have to run after you install the new one. This is going to be a big job. If you would like, I can recommend either a mobile mechanic that can come out and do this for you, or a shop in your area that's Repair Pal certified that can handle this job.
How about the one that's certified in your area?
I can do that. I can send that over.
That'd be great.
All right. Well, I'll send it over here.
My address and all that, or do you have all that?
I'm sorry, what's the question?
Do you have my address and where I'm at?
So I'm going to send you the information here in the chat, and it'll be your responsibility to contact them and schedule an appointment.
That's fine. Do you know where I live at? That's why I'm asking.
No, that's a good question, my friend. So when you come to the website purposely, they do not show me any of your personal information. I don't know where you live, phone number, your email address, your credit card. I don't have any of that stuff. And the website purposely does that.
That's fine.
So that's why when you call these people, you're going to say, hey, my name is so-and-so. This is my address. This is my problem. Are you in the area? If so, this is going to be the job that needs to be fixed. Are you guys able to do this for me?
Do you know what their labor rate is?
I do not.
I'm sure it's not cheap. All right. So that's going to be in the chat with me then.
Yes, sir. You got
it.
Yep.
All right. I'll be waiting to see from you.
All right. Sounds good. I'll talk to you soon.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.